1. Vrat rakhna, observe fast. Women observe a fast for the long life of their husbands. 2. Vrat kholna, break the fast. She breaks her fast after seeing the moon. 3. Karwa, the earthen pot is called karwa. 4. Mangal Sutra, wedding chain. She always wears her Mangal Sutra on Karwa Chauth. 5. Chalni, sieve. The moon is seen through a sieve. 6. Deepak diya, lamp. A lamp is lit during the puja. 7. Puja ki thali, puja plate. The puja plate holds all the essential items. 8. Puja ki samagri, worship material. Arrange all worship materials for the rituals. 9. Mehendi, henna. She applies henna on her hands. 10. Sindoor, vermilion. She puts vermilion on her forehead. 11. Shringar, makeup adornment. Women do 16 adornments, 16 shringar. On Karwa Chauth. 12. Chand, moon. Everyone waits eagerly for the moonrise. 13. Chandroday, moonrise. Moonrise time is important for breaking the fast. 14. Kajal, kohl. Bindi se henna ka bahut zyada behat hota hai. 15. Bindi. She wears a bright bindi on her forehead. 16. Payal, anklet. Bindi ki sankiti jung sakti hai. Bichya, toe ring. Married women wear toe rings. 18. Mahavar, alta. She applies alta on her feet. 19. Shubh Muhurt, auspicious time. Do puja at the auspicious time. 20. Agarbatti, incense stick. Incense sticks are used for fragrance during rituals. 21. Pani ka lota, water pot. Fill the water pot for the puja. 22. Sasuma, mother-in-law. Touch your mother-in-law's feet after puja. 23. Ashirvad, blessing. Seek blessings from elders after puja. 24. Mithai, sweets. Distribute sweets after breaking the fast. Shringar ka saman, makeup items. Buy makeup items for the festival. 26. Shadi ka jona, wedding dress. She wears her wedding dress for Karwa Chauth. 27. Sargi, sargi. Women eat sargi, a pre-dawn meal, before starting the fast. 28. Bayana. Bayana is a gift given by the daughter-in-law to her mother-in-law. 29. Puja chauki, prayer platform. The decorated chauki is placed for puja items. 30. Roli, red sacred powder. Roli is applied to the idol and used during rituals. 31. Haldi, turmeric. Turmeric is sprinkled to purify the puja area. 32. Apshat, unbroken rice. Unbroken rice is offered during the story narration. 33. Phal, fruit, included in the puja thali and sargi. 34. Fool, flowers. Flowers are offered to the deity during puja. 35. Mishri, sugar cubes are given as prasad after the rituals. 36. Nariyal, coconut. Coconut is placed on the puja thali. 37. Ghee ya desi ghee, clarified butter. Ghee is used for lighting the diya. 38. Kachi lassi, raw buttermilk, is included in the sargi items. 39. Gehu ke dane, wheat grains. Wheat grains must be present on the puja thali. 40. Gurva ghas. Durva grass is used to make offerings during Sankashti, coinciding with Karwa Chauth. 41. Kapra chunni, red cloth or veil. Women cover themselves with a red chunni while performing rituals. 42. Thali ghumana, rotating the plate. Women rotate the thali while singing festive songs. 43. Katha, story legend. The Karwa Chauth Katha is recited during the evening. 44. Aate ki sikari, little mound of wheat flour. Mound of wheat flour is offered to goddess Gauri. 45. Swastik, auspicious symbol. A swastik is drawn on the chauki or the puja thali for good luck. This
like करें, share करें, subscribe करें, support करें.